Hello everyone, Ron Collins here from Lacy SEO, and today's video is about local SEO prominence. So stay tuned. So what is prominence? Well, prominence means the state of being important or famous. So I'm going to show you how your business can be more famous than it is right now to increase your rankings in local search. Prominence is one factor in ranking locally, the other two being proximity or distance and relevance. So these are the most important factors for prominence. So your business needs a certain amount of fame to rank high in Google's eyes. So let's take a look at the most important factors for prominence. Number one is citations. Now, a citation in the form of a NAP, what we call the name, address, and phone number, is found on directories, social media, and other sites across the web. The more NAP mentions a business has across the internet, the more reach it can gain. Add your business to as many relevant business directories and sites as possible, but choose quality over quantity. You don't need to add to thousands of low-quality sites because many listings on these citation sites don't even get indexed by Google. Now, at Lacy SEO, we offer a one-time fee for submitting your business information to the best citation sites across the web. And our citation service is also custom tailored to your business type and location. I'll leave a link in the description where you can learn more information about this citation service. All right, number two is branded search. A search query that includes the name of your brand or company is a branded search. Usually people perform branded searches when they search for information about a business. To increase your brand's prominence, you can create guest posts, collaborate with other businesses on your website, write about what your brand is doing in blog posts, and create interesting content on branded social media sites. Now, at Lacy SEO, we can create up to 50 branded social media accounts to help increase your brand's prominence. Now, these are different than your traditional social media accounts like Facebook or Twitter or Instagram. And you can read more about that. I'll leave a description and a link in the description on the YouTube, so you can read more about it. Number three is reviews. Now, it's been known for a long time that Google values reviews, and it is a ranking factor for your Google business profile listing. Reviews are also a trust factor for visitors when they see many 5-star reviews for your business. Reviews are considered social proof and contribute to your prominence. So obtaining as many reviews as possible adds to your prominence and will increase your click-through rate. The simplest way to increase the number of reviews is to simply ask customers for them. Now, this can be in the form of email, a text message, or a link on your website. You don't have to be a customer to leave a review either. I have received many reviews from links on my YouTube videos and from blog posts. All right. The fourth most important factor is a press release. A focused press release will help your business gain authority, relevance, and prominence. Spreading the news about your business, your website, important occasion, or potentially anything newsworthy helps you get noticed on the web. Now, Lacy SEO offers a press release service that increases prominence by stacking your brand connections deliberately inside the press release. Now, we craft newsworthy stories for almost any business and write a 500 to 700 word article with convincing and keyword enhanced titles and content, plus embedded targeted links and anchor text. We then submit the press release to approximately 250 news and media outlets such as Google News, CBS, Fox, ABC, the CW, and NBC affiliated broadcasting websites. Now you can read more about that. I'll put a link in the description below. So, in conclusion, by implementing these 4 steps, you'll be well on your way to increasing your brand's prominence. So if you're interested in the services that we offer, again, I will leave links in the description below. So I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Everybody be blessed and have a great day.